1, go.
Okay, so I'm going to teach you how we're going to do directional shading of our facial features. So you've drawn out the outline first in proportion by observing the photo. Now we're going to actually try and create a tonal scale. So we're going to press really hard for our dark areas, and then for our mid-tones, obviously not so much pressure, and then for your light tones, it's hardly any pressure at all. So you should create a kind of gradient of tone. All right, so I'm going to observe my dark areas first. I'm going to press hard on those areas, and I'm going in the direction of the eye. So this is a curved shadow that I'm creating. I'm not going in any diagonal direction because I can see that the part of the eyelid that I'm shading is curved. So I'm drawing what I see, shading within that shape. Can you see how I'm changing the gradient? So I'm putting a lot of pressure for those dark areas, and where the mid-tones are, I'm going to loosen that pressure so it's a little bit lighter. Again, above the eyelid, I'm going to press a bit harder, creating that curved directional shading here, the gradient of tone. Yeah, obviously you're going to spend a lot of time doing this, building it up gradually. Notice the shadows here. It's curving up towards the eyebrow. So again, curving my shadows and shading. Where we're doing the pupil or the iris, because the eye is going in a center direction, I'm going to shade going towards that center. So I'm going around, looking at where those dark parts are. I can see there's some highlights there, so I'm going to leave a space for that. I'm going to press really hard for those really, really dark parts, and then loosen that pressure to create those mid-tones for the middle bit. So we'll just keep building that up until you've got a tonal scale on your facial features that go from dark, mid, to those really light tones. Okay, give it a go.